87. So I do take blood pressure medication. But even then, as I was leaving the hospital, I said, I was working out like 2 days ago hard. And the guy said, you could have pulled a rib muscle and it'll actually feel like you got chest pains. And the secret, he said, is if you start moving different areas and it goes away, it's probably not a heart attack. Heart attacks don't go like, if you lift your right leg, the pain goes away. A heart attack is a heart attack. You don't have blood flow.
I've had a couple ribs pulled and put out of place, and that is a pain.
Yeah. Does it feel like it's inside you?
Yeah, it feels like it's stabbing you from the inside out.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's scary. Hey guys, anyway, good news. It's nice to start the day with a good winner.
With a 100-point runner.
Amazing.
Somebody said it was too early to fire the band up, so
yeah, too loud. You got a noise complaint.
There should be at least 2 or 3 people that are done for the day at this point, though.
Oh God, yeah. I think Robert is flat on that last show. We're looking for another rally. That's all. Anyway, I'm going to be. We'll be back later, guys.
I'll be here.
To enjoy your morning.
Oh, weird.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. We'll see you later.
Guys, that's what I was saying to Kev Dog earlier. I'd like to see a rally. We may not get it. We may have to. We're going to get it at some point. You could do the in break, but pull your stops fast. I just really don't like doing the low stochastic short guys, but if you did the in break, just put yourself in it, lock in profits fast. I just don't like doing the short and low stochastics. I still have one left from earlier, so I'm kind of sitting here. Anybody do the in break here? Tony was talking about it. Anybody do that? I'm not gonna. If you didn't do it. There's gonna be nobody saying, "Hey, you should be in that." Blah blah blah. Because well, it's not really with the rules. You could have done the in break. Tony, did you do the in break? You should be locking in profits at this point. Tony. Yeah, we're at our target again. So if you did the in break, good job. Tony, where you are. Where you at? Yeah, I'd like to see it again, guys, like I said, I'd like to see it get up to, somewhere around the 660 at least. Come back to 615, 620. All right, Brisky. I would have probably tried to stay in that one though, Brisky. It looks like the selling pressure is still here. We have some selling pressure. Guys, when you do try to find your short today, those of you who didn't get the home run earlier, get try to hold on to it when you try to get your short today. Try to hold on to it. Paul, that's one of the things we're looking at. That's why we're trying to hope. That's why we're hoping for a little bit of rally to get short again. Is that lots of levels got broke? Lots of levels got broke in the past couple days. So we are below all that garbage that happened from November, December, January. All that garbage, we are just below it. So hey, Morris, great day. Have a great day. Let's give you a gong, sir. You get a gong for being done for the day. We do it like this, Morris. Done for the day. Done for the day. Good job, Morris. Have a great rest of your day. All right, maybe we'll get our rally now. Here we go. Maybe we'll get our rally. Yeah, guys, we're just waiting for a rally. Let's let this thing rally up a little bit, and then we can look to get back short a little bit higher. All right. So let's do a quick game here. Let's play a game. Where is the level I'd like to see price go to see a good reshort? What's my higher probability area? Who remembers? Who wrote it down? Anywhere from 700 to 720, right, guys? There we go. Good job, guys. You guys listen. Look at that. Anywhere from 700 to 720-ish, anything, the 712. Remember, guys, what was the target? That 712 is the one that I like. 700 to 712. If we can get there, that would give me some real confidence to look for a short signal that could be a big winner. But I will start looking above what price. Now you guys can see 660. Yeah. Have those plans in place, guys. Have those plans in place. Even a first touch rule now, if we get, even if we get close to a first touch rule, you can start looking. I wouldn't take blind. Here's the thing, guys. Don't blindly take the first touch rule, right, Paul? What do we want to confirm the first touch rule with? Something like an M or 16 tick rule this morning, right? Even an M. If you try the first 16 tick and an M forms, and you get a small profit or a break-even trade and an M starts to form, take it again. Got it, guys? Don't be afraid to jump back in. If you try to shoot for a 16 tick short and you get out of it and then an M starts to form, do not be afraid to get back into it. Mum's the word. Oh yeah, we all should be flat, Gwen. I didn't realize we told everybody to go flat, Gwen, a while ago. Unless you're a scale-in trader and you can take 100 ticks of heat, should have a nice profit. The tick chart is not right. Oh yeah, no tick chart right now. I thought it was Paul. I know that you know how things work. Made some money on the stop run. Nice job, Paul. The low tick long worked. All right, guys, let me grab some coffee. Get ready for the open. Nice job, Fish. Nice job. Let it rally up a little bit, guys. Some people that have permission to do counter trend longs are long. Uh, there you go. Picture just popped up. Um, I'm assuming that's Chad, profitable Chad. I'm assuming. So now we're starting to get into an area where you guys can maybe look to reshore. I still would like to see a first touch rule, an M, something like that. Some kind of I could short this. Get us ready for the open. Just a few minutes. I'll be right back. Again, you guys know what to look for. We've given directions. You know where to start looking for shorts at. If you're going to do a 16 tick rule in anywhere in this area right now, you've got to be lightning fast on moving your stops. So there's a 16 tick rule short now. Do you really want to do it? You can take it, be lightning fast on your stops. I knew it was you. I knew it was you, Chad. Figured. Be right back. I can tell you right now exactly what Chad's doing. He's trailing his stops. Yeah, so we're gonna let this rate, guys. Keep in mind though, we try to keep you safe in the main room here without doing counter trend trades. And that is a counter trend. Chad has approved to do it. What we ask that you do is build a track record trading with the trend first, then against the trend. All right, so we are getting close to the open, guys. No trading from 9:30 to 9:36, the first 6 minutes of the open. For newbies, some people with explicit permission have permission to trade the open. So we try to let the big boys and girls settle things out before we try to get on and jump in with them. Most days that does help us. It works out in our favor. It gets us in a good spot. We've had a great trade this morning already. So we're trying to get it lit, get up to maybe this first touch rule. The exponential moving averages will M forming. We're getting closer to the open, so I think we'll probably see price action jump up to where we want it now. And if you keep it, we knew that there was some buying around 6:30 anyway. Around 6:30, we knew there was some buying from big institution. So if I were you, I would wait, let it rally. We'll plenty of opportunities in money. Okay, guys, we have plenty of chances. If you can't wait 30 for a good trade up, maybe think about my. If you took the little M, what to do? Did anybody take the little M? For an M rally, toggle, or start looking above 660 to 712. From that with the M or 16 tick rule, or wait till it rallies above 660 to 700 to 712. There you go, Marsha. Now let's just be patient. We're getting really close to the open, guys. Don't want to jump into anything unless it's the rule of thumb is, guys, we need to be yesterday. Think about yesterday. We were really deep into profits when the market opened, so we trade. Nobody's going to be deep into profits, I would think, on any trade unless you hold on to this short. Nobody's going to be super deep into profits on the open. So some people are. Some people are. Some people have been short for a while. They're staying short. So if you took the M break, hold on to it. Just hold on to it. No lose situation. Great, you made money. That is the plan, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody got it. Any questions on the plan, on what we're going to do? Any questions? briefly repeat, we are looking for a rally to the first touch rule. We can start looking shorty above 660 really would be the idea. Um, those that did take the end breaks have 30 seconds till the open. 20 seconds, sorry. So there's an end break, just if you were where the first touch rule is. And we are open for business, guys. There it is. And you guys have answered. Let's have a great day. We are already having a great day, actually. Birds are singing. Couldn't get more beautiful. Now, if you guys notice, this is the third time I tapped this support. So sure, hold on. Hold on, cheers. Just a few more minutes, guys. A few more minutes. Thank you, Coach Hugo. There's the rally we thought we were going to get. We will let it rally up. Let it rally. I know. There's so many birds chirping outside. It's a beautiful morning. I don't see there's usually a toucan that flies around in some of these tropical trees that I have out here, and I haven't seen it lately. Ambient noise. 16 tick rule. Put yourselves 16. Anybody permission to trade through the open? You know what to do. You guys got that 16 tick rule short, I'm assuming, some of you guys. Nice. The Paul's got it. That was the plan. Good job, guys. The Paul and Paul, they executed the plan. That was it, guys. Good job, Paul. This is where we said we want to start looking for shorts, so we did it. You guys did exactly what you should be doing. Now, it's still, I would really still like to see somewhere close to the 700 number. I think that's going to be where that selling can really start to, the selling pressure can really start to ramp up there around 700. Again, M's, 16 tick rules. We're consolidating now, so just be patient, guys. If you haven't gotten it, I know there's a lot of people who got here late, right? We got a 9:40. Yeah, there we go. Everybody's printing stuff this morning before I can get to it. But yeah, VA put it in. We have news at 9:45. So be patient. If you didn't get the big winner this morning, you didn't catch that little 16 tick rule short there. You got to be patient. Stick to the plan and be patient. We will get an opportunity to take a trade, guys. You will get an opportunity. Is officially 9:36. You're now free to trade around the country. Ding. Tick started kind of lackluster this morning too. So even the tick started a little neutral, guys. So we're probably going to see just that. A lot of indecision. Lots of indecision. You've got to. My tick chart is not tracking anymore. It's interesting. It should be working. I mean, if you pay for the Dow and key indices under market internals on your data feed, it should be there. Oh, you have the bundle? I don't know, Paul. You'd have to probably reach out to the industry. I don't know if that's included in the bundle. I would assume it would be. I would assume that it would be included in the bundle. So if it's not working, I think you'll have to reach out to NinjaTrader from your control center. You can submit a support ticket. All right, there is a rally. I'm assuming a couple people with permission to trade counter trend. Did the breakout? Anybody with counter trend permission do the breakout trade there? Nobody? All right, that's fine. Now is where we start looking. There. Boom. Now you have your first profits locked in, guys. Should be worries out.
Good job, Fritz. Great job,
This
Robert.
was the short call.
Great job, Robert. Fritz.
Good job,
on.
everybody.
2 for 2. Got our 720 target on the upside, and we got our 633 target from the short.
And we are short here,
Amazing
Coach.
start. Thank you. Back to the main room. Hey, Dan, did you catch that one, Dan? I didn't see you in there. We grabbed the short at 7:35 this morning, and went down to 6:33, and then we went long at 6:10 to 7:20. 2 for 2. 2 home runs. And now I'm being taken out for a runner. Good job, guys.
Lower your stops now, guys. How many people that I don't know are in this short? We specifically planned this out earlier this morning. Did you guys get it? Did you guys get this? Can you guys hear me? Good job, Ron. Everybody follow the plan. We had the plan. How well is the plan working for you right now? Right? We called this trade at probably what time we call this trade? Around 9:15, 9 o'clock. Call this trade around 9 o'clock, guys. Oh, no. Part of the plan, guys. Listen, you guys, what did I tell you when you get in the short? Try to do what? When you get in your shorts, Todd, I know you're new, so that's okay. What are you supposed to do in your shorts, guys? Get a no lose and try to hold on to it. Try to hold on to it. Stop should be 708 now. Most of you should have gotten in somewhere around 710, like we said. Just keep trailing it. This is already a big winner, guys. If you have multiple contracts, here's a good spot. Take some profits. Thank you, Chad. 709, good fill, trucking. Good job. Trucking, follow the plan. Now, those of you who didn't get in on this trade, look back at your notes when I was screaming and yelling this morning. Where do we want to start looking short? Both places we wanted to start looking short above 660. We got a good, nice little 16 tick rule short above 660. And literally, I don't know how we could have done any better above the 712 short. 712, 710 gave us an exact 16 tick rule short, guys. So hold on to it. Move your stops a couple more ticks down. If you have multiple contracts, take one off here. Take one off. If you have one left, you have to trail. Yeah, just V8. We're in the trade. We are in the trade. Just lock in profits. That's all we got to do right now. Lock in profits. Let's see. What am I going to use? I'm going to use 700 now. I'll use 700, and I got profits locked in no matter what. Nice job, Brisky.
Okay, guys, we are back. 2 for 2, and we're done. Our upside target was hit on 720. The downside target was hit 633. And a couple of people are back in this room from the institutional room. So again, beautiful trading, and you guys are doing well too, right?
Yeah, we just we took a short at 710, Coach.
Nice. Yeah, that was where I drew that line. That was our.
Well, we knew that was a good line in the sand from previous.
Yes, sir. Great job, Coach.
Prior target on the downside, so we knew that was a good spot to start looking short again.
Actually, it's funny. I'm looking at what we did. We actually made more money on the long trade than the short. 32,610 to 720 was 110. Yeah. 32. And then we shorted at 32,735 earlier this morning and covered that at 633, or downside target. You never know. And it's funny, right? As soon as I think somebody in this room, right? Paul pointed it out. It didn't make a new low. And so what do newbies do? They go, wow, the market's down. I missed that short. I think I'll go short. And it's at 610. Well, it'll probably go to 410. I'm going to go short. And it goes right back up to 720, blast them all out. And they're pissed off again. It's a predatory business. It really is.
Newbie stew.
Yep, we eat them for breakfast. Great job,
newbie
everybody.
Cereal. Newbie cereal, that is.
Newbie cereal. Good fiber. Good fiber. Great job, everybody. Great job, Coach.
Thank you. Everybody did great this morning. So far.
Great job, Chad.
We've turned Chad into an animal.
He is.
Looks like it could be a little bit of an M forming here, guys. We just had such a good morning. That's the plan. That was the plan. Good job, Paul. Paul is following. Good job, Paul. Show your stop now. Lock in profits. Maybe even put your stop at break even. Nice job. Be nice. Good job. You guys are following plan. Look at that. Hey, I love it. This is good stuff. Show your stops. Lock in profits, guys. Lock in some profits. Make sure that you at least get your final contract to break even now. I like it. Brisky. Do I pronounce it the Southern way or the Brisky? All right, I like it. Speaking my language. Well, we're gonna try to hold on to this short as long as we can right now. Then we will reevaluate, see if we bounce above the pivot. Obviously, we are in an uptrend. So we reevaluate David V and look for probably a long signal, but I think we try to hold this short. And there should I think there should be moving out here in a couple minutes. What do we have? Oh, there we go. Everybody's printing, everybody's typing it in before I even get to it this morning. God, thanks. You guys are good. Oh, manufacturing. Construction. Good job, Paul. All right, D Nice, take a couple more ticks down. So you were at 747. So you 745 now. How many contracts you got left in these? Oh, thought you would listen. Just a break even. We don't say, Dennis, we don't say we got out. We say we went flat. It's our choice. Got it. Where we take control of our actions best. We try to put everybody in. That makes sense, Dennis. I went flat. It's just a way of saying things that gives you control instead of giving the market control. Anybody that's still short on this one with me, we can move our stops down. 745. Don't press yourself so too fast. Watch the video basic training on trade management, David. Have you done that? That's it. David, did you watch the trailing stop trade? Under the basic training recordings, the second video, there's a group on trailing stops.
One step at a time, David.
Okay. Yeah. Just takes a little while.
Please, it does. And I know it's tough. You know, you see people, hey, I made 100 points, I made this, but they've been doing it for a while. These are not people who took the trial last Thursday and were doing 20 contracts at a time. This doesn't would be long by step, like you first, then later. Get in, get study, keep good records, and grow. I do not concede money, and I'm not doing this for showmanship. You could ask Coach Brian. I mean, lost money for 49, more money than most of you coming in. I know it sounds kind of crazy. Why would you take lessons from a loser? And I don't say that badly. When I mention to somebody, they get annoyed. Really? I looked in the mirror, criticize myself. I'm a critic. I'm a loser. Yes, I was a loser. Beat myself. The market beat me. Others beat me. Mid-level beat me. Right? In anything. They don't give Indy 500 cars to guys like, hey, I'd racing once. Nothing happens with Tiger Woods, right? His fun playing golf, but we don't see it. We want to be experts, and then when we take a loss, we blame grandma, right? I wish I never took another grandma trade. I got that last week from a client. I mean, grandma.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully, you've enjoyed the live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day pass. During your time with us, you'll have access to our trade calls, participation in chat to have questions answered by a coach, as well as our live basic and advanced training classes. After your first free 3 days, it's just $949 a month for trade room access. Like, subscribe, and share.